Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Monday.com forms to efficiently capture leads, collect survey responses, and more. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to set up a great-looking, fully functional Monday form, but also how to connect it directly to your workflow, whether you're wrangling new clients, gathering customer feedback, or streamlining support requests. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is create a board that will store the responses from your form. Think of your board as the digital folder where every piece of incoming data will be organized and tracked. For example, if you're running a lead capture campaign, you might title your board Lead Capture. If you're surveying customers, Customer Feedback, or maybe you need job applications for a hiring process. The name really should fit the context of what you're collecting. This will help keep everything clear, especially if you end up with multiple forms down the road. Now, take a moment to add the columns that reflect the information you want from your respondents. Monday.com offers a variety of column types. You've got basic text for names or companies, email for direct contact, phone, and status for tracking stages of a lead or ticket. Drop-down menus are super useful for choices like services offered or feedback types, while date fields are great for scheduling or tracking submission times. If you need someone to attach a file, say a resume, a screenshot, or important documents, make sure you include a files column. Want quick survey feedback? Throw in a rating column. You can even assign people internally with the people column. All these fields not only capture data, they pave the way for smooth automation and follow-up later. Once your board has all the columns set up, it's time to turn it into a form. Go to your board at the top of the Monday interface and click on Views. There you'll see the option to Add View, then choose Form. This opens up the form editor automatically. Now, the magic here is that your form is instantly synced to your board. Every submission goes straight to the right spot, ready for you or your team to act on. Let's talk customization, because this is how your form goes from basic to brilliant. Each column on your board becomes a form field. Monday makes this super visual and easy. You can drag and drop fields to rearrange the order, toggle their visibility if something's not needed, and rename them so users see plain, friendly language instead of database speak. You'll find options to make key fields required. Very useful if you absolutely need a phone number or email before someone can submit. Placeholder text in each field helps clarify what you're asking for, reducing user confusion. With the 2025 update, branding features are even more powerful. Add your company colors for instant recognition, upload a header image for professionalism, and drop in your logo so everyone knows it's coming from your org. The custom thank you message is a nice touch. Be friendly, appreciative, maybe even drop a next step or a contact link. You can also add an introduction text right at the top. This is perfect for instructions, context, or disclaimers, like privacy notes or how long the survey should take. Take your time here, making your form clear and inviting boosts completion rates. Once your form looks great, it's time to put it in front of the people who matter. Click Share Form, and you'll get a public link, ready to distribute. You're not limited. You can paste this link into emails, blast it out on social media, or add it to your website. Monday also supports sharing via QR code, handy for physical events or flyers. Or you can use the embed code for a seamless website integration. Don't worry if this part takes a moment. Double-checking your link or embed is always worth it. That's it. You've gone from zero to a professional branded Monday.com form, fully linked to your workflow. If you found this helpful, please tap that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, drop a comment below and subscribe for more practical, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.